Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my monthly declutter for you. I did not do one for the month of March. Was it March or April? I think it was April. Yes, I did not do one for April just because it was crazy busy. There was a lot going on, and I am combining my April and May. It's a little bit bigger. I actually did declutter in April, but I didn't film any of it, so you are going to see a combined total of what I have gotten rid of for the month of April and the month of May, and I am going to show that to you right now in a little video clip. Is tons of stuff that I just didn't need in my house anymore. There's lots of clothes, old towels, you name it. I got rid of a ton of stuff, and I am very happy that I was able to do that. Kids have grown out or have outgrown some of these clothes and shoes and you name it, and I'm just very happy to get it out of my house. Okay, that is everything that I have decluttered for April and May combined. By the time you see this video, everything will already be out of my house. I scheduled online for Purple Heart to come pick everything up. If I remember, I will leave a link in the description of how you can do that if they come to your area. You can see if they come to your area, and they literally just come to my front porch, they pick everything up, they leave a little slip that says that I donated, and it's just as easy as that. I've never had them cancel on me or not show up. They're just amazing. It's so easy to declutter. All right, I am going to wrap this up. I am already starting on stuff for next month because, you know, it's the end of the month, so I gotta get started for the next one. All right, wrapping this up, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.